I've worked with hundreds of clients as a UGC creator on Fiverr, and I get the most 5-star reviews from clients who provide a good creative brief. And Fiverr's AI brief feature for Fiverr Pro customers makes writing a brief easier than ever. Here's how it works. From the Freelancer page, click Contact Me and Create Brief. Write in the details of your project, like the overview, scope, budget, timeline, and any other helpful details. Then click Generate Your Brief. From there, you'll have the option to edit any of the sections before you send the brief to the freelancer. The AI brief feature with Fiverr Pro is a win-win for everyone, because when freelancers have a clear plan for the project, business owners walk away happy.